Welcome back to Monday's Assembly. I'm so pleased to see you here today. I hope you all had a very good weekend and also making sure that you're keeping you and your family safe. I know I have been doing that. Now, on our Monday's Assemblies, we like to talk about our precepts, and we have a new precept for this week. Here is this week's precept. Being of service to others is what brings true happiness. This year at Newlands Primary School has been the year of respect, and all of classes have had community service projects as part of the year of respect. It pleases me to see that many children have continued to show that service to others, whether by staying home and staying safe, or it's by creating letters and rainbows and notes, to even baking for our neighbors and letting them know that they're not alone. We are taking care of each other, and that makes us happy. Now, last week we had loads of children and adults who participated in Challenge 7, which was to create VE Day decorations. And we saw some amazing things. Now, there are a couple of children that their work got to us just a little bit late, but I still wanted to share them. And here are two amazing projects that some of our children have done. Now, I'm sure that you've all been waiting for it and really excited to know what this week's challenge is. Now, our challenge has to do with recycling. If you're like me, you have loads of rubbish. You have candy wrappers or boxes or fruit containers and the plastic netting that goes around it, or you may have egg cartons, or you may have flyers that seem to be in everything that you get in the mail. You get a lot of rubbish in your day, and rubbish can cause problems. But there are ways of helping to reduce the rubbish, and that's with recycling. Now, did you know some interesting recycling facts? Each UK household produces over 1 ton of waste every year. This is about the weight of a small car. Wow. Now, up to 60% of the waste that ends up in the bin could be recycled. And why do we recycle? Well, it's to save our planet's resources. So today, our challenge we're setting for the week is a recycling project. Now, I want you to think about how you can use some of the rubbish that you have in your house to make either works of art, or maybe do something that's called upcycling. Make rubbish into something that you can use again productively in your household. Here's some ideas of some people who have done some recycling and some upcycling. What do you think? You have some ideas? I bet you do. I bet you're coming up with loads and loads of ideas. And you are more than welcome to do more than one project this week for this challenge. If you make lots of different artwork and upcycle things, please do that and share that with us. You can share it on our Twitter site. or you can share it with your teacher. Now, if you share it with your teacher, you need to make sure that you share it by Thursday morning by about 9 or 10 o'clock, because they have to send me the pictures, then I have to put them in our very special celebrations assembly that we have on Fridays. But we have to get those to our teachers sooner rather than later. All right, it's time for us to get started. Have a good week, work hard, listen to your parents and to your carers, and be safe.